Rain lashed some parts of Odisha Tuesday as super cyclone Amphan moved closer to the coasts while the state government stepped up efforts to evacuate low-lying and vulnerable areas, officials said. It is likely to weaken into an extremely severe cyclonic storm, move north-northeastwards over Bay of Bengal and cross West Bengal Bangladesh coast between Digha and Hatia Islands during Wednesday afternoon or evening as a very severe cyclonic storm with maximum sustained wind speed of 155 to 165 km per hour gusting to 180 km per hour, he said. Under its impact, light rains were witnessed in several areas of Puri, Kendrapara, Jagatsinghpur and Khordha districts of Odisha, and the intensity of rainfall and wind speed is likely to increase gradually, a Met official said. IMD Director General Mrutyunjay Mohapatra said since the super cyclone is gradually weakening and its impact is unlikely to be very severe on Odisha. However, coastal districts like Jagatsinghpur, Kendrapara, Bhadrak and Baleswar are likely to be battered by heavy rain coupled with high velocity winds from Tuesday evening, he said. Special Relief Commissioner SRC PK Jaina said evacuation of people living in low-lying areas, thatched and mud structures in the coastal districts is under progress and the process will be completed by the evening. He said the state government has made arrangements for evacuating over 11 lakh people as a precautionary measure. 14 units of National Disaster Response Force NDRF and 20 teams of Odisha Disaster Rapid Action Force ODRAF have been deployed in the districts likely to be hit. Chief Secretary A.K. Tripathi said 4 senior officers with vast experience in handling such calamities have been deputed to different districts on the direction of Chief Minister Navin Patnaik to supervise preparations and guide the local administration. As high velocity winds may damage power infrastructure and roads, necessary equipment and manpower have been mobilized in order to ensure quick restoration in the affected areas, he said. All fishermen along with boats and vessels have already returned from the seas and they have been advised not to venture out for fishing activities till 21st May, the SRC said. For more updates, stay tuned to Suppose Live.